So now Kali Yuga comes. Everyone. What happened? I don't know. There's living entities everywhere. Krishna says in Gita, Sarvagata. They're on your nose. They're in your lungs. Bacteria. Sarvagata. So everyone's Shudra. If you samskaras, dasavita samskaras, then you become Dvija. Dvija, twice born. Janamata, number one. Then Upanayanam, Diksha from Guru. Then Dvija. Now Manush. Manush Prapti. Bina Dvija, Bina Diksha, then Pashuyoni. Pashuyoni Yanti. Ugly Janam is in Puranas. Hari Bhakti Vilas. This life is meant for Diksha. Tadvidi Pranibhattayana. Pariprashanaya Sevya. Upadekshanti Te Gyanam. Gyaninas Tattvadarshana. Krishna says, surrender to Guru. Bhagavan's telling, surrender to Guru. I did. Yet I walk my talk, man. I surrender to Guru. So you know, whatever Shrestha Jana does, an ordinary man does. And I'll tell you about it. Yad acharati shresttas tattadiviktarojana sayat pramanam kurute lokastat anavartate lokastat anavartate. Whatever Shrestha Jana, whatever Shrestha Jana does, then all sublok should follow him. Anuvartante, Vartma, Marg, Rasta, highway, freeway. Follow the Guru's car. Guru's aage, aapka piche. So Krishna, he surrendered he took Domaina, Ujjain, Sanipani Muni Guru. He's saying you have to find a Guru. And then surrender, Samarpan, Pranipat, Dandabat. Then he says, Yadyat acharati shresthat tatat vitparojana. Whatever a great man does, everyone should follow. So Bhagavan is, he showed the example. I took Guru, but now you don't take Guru? You're a better manush than me? I am the Purushottam. You are Purush, I am Purushottam. Purushottam. So now Kali Yuga comes, and then Bhagavat is coming in the Kali Yuga.